In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix browser lag. So lots of comment I found this issue lag. So what you need to do first, go to this three menu. Again, click on setting. Now click on privacy and security. Then delete browsing data. So you need to delete browsing data at all time. So I can delete. Okay. Now you need to click on this three dot menu. Again, click on extension. So manage extension. So you need to delete some of extension you don't need right now. So you can see, as you mentioned, I don't need this one. So delete unnecessary extension. Now if right now does not work, you need to reset your function. So now go to three dot menu. Again, click on setting. Again, click on, you can see reset setting. Then I can click on original default. I can click on reset. That's it. Now check this browser speed and everything, but currently it does not have work perfectly. You need to uninstall this browser from your computer, then reinstall it. I hope fix your problem. So if you have any questions, please comment below. See you again. Take care. Bye.